A Tennessee law is in the national spotlight tonight as the Supreme Court hears a case centering on whether its ban on medical procedures is constitutional.
You know, Tennessee, like nearly 24 other states, has put rules in place the past several years to stop doctors from providing what's known as gender-affirming care to underage patients.
That covers puberty-blocking medications, hormone therapies, and surgeries to make a young person's body match their gender identity. Reporter Jesse Tenor from our Washington, D.C. bureau is following this case.
Parents of transgender children crowded the U.S. Supreme Court to push back on Tennessee's ban on minors receiving gender transition-related medical care.
They should mind their own business. This is our child.
Jolene Galpin says her transgender daughter deserves access to this care for her physical and mental health.
Gender-affirming care is life-saving for transgender youth.
But Buzz Webb argues it would have ruined her life.
I look back and have no idea what 57-year-old me would look like today had they put me on puberty blockers and done unnecessary surgeries.
Webb says transitioning would have stolen her fertility and caused medical issues like blood clots and tumors.
That's what they're doing to an entire generation of gay kids.
Inside, based on the justices' questions, the three liberals seemed firmly on the side of the families who are challenging the Tennessee law, while the 6 conservatives seemed skeptical of their argument.
No matter what happens, we will keep fighting.
Chase Strangio became the first openly transgender lawyer to make arguments before the U.S. Supreme Court as he represented the families.
The Constitution protects trans people just like it protects everyone else.
But Tennessee Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti defended his state's law.
But the evidence shows that the large majority of kids dealing with gender dysphoria will grow out of it unless they're put on these medications.
Skrmetti could not say, though, how many Tennessee kids would be impacted by the ban. In Washington, I'm Jesse Tenor.
Attorney General Skrmetti also pointing out and putting out a statement after the Supreme Court session today. He writes in part, quote, "Our arguments were ultimately about constitutional clarity and common sense." And he goes on to write, "We cannot allow ideology to override medical evidence at the expense of our right to self-government and our duty to protect our children." And from the Democratic side, State Senator Heidi Campbell putting out a statement, quote, "Tennessee's discriminatory ban is unconstitutional and it does nothing to improve the lives of our citizens." Writing also, "Parents have a right to guide their children's medical care and every child deserves equal protection under the law."